You're in that fandom? Yes? When did my interest become something that irritates you? Let me have my fun, and I'll let you have yours. And if making fun of someone else's interests is your hobby, get a life. Go eat cake or something instead of hating on others who have done nothing to you. And if it seems corny to you, keep that to yourself. At least have some decent human respect. What I'm mainly talking about is bullying. I get it if it's small jokes with friends, but the people who go out of their way just to make someone feel ashamed for what they like is just stupid. Why do you care that much? Vin's out.